Assalamualaikum and hello to our panel. My name is Muhammad Irwan bin Mislan, metric number 01 DKM 18F1069. Today, my friend and I will do a presentation in subject DJJ 6143 Project 2. We are from class DKM 5B Group 3 guided by our supervisor, Mr. Prasad Analaki Kesavan Prabagaran. Today, we will do a presentation about our project is lower window motorized cleaner. Firstly, for the background. For the background, this project aims to ease the consumer for doing their cleaning of window. Secondly, lower window motorized cleaner will down the percentage of getting injury when cleaning the window. For the problem statement number 1 is choosing the right metal for the design selection. Number 2, the best selection of microcontroller for control the motor. Point number 3 is problem during motor selection in the project, and problem statement number 4 is supplier selection with sufficient pressure. For the scope and limitation, scope number 1 is scope for this design selection is material of metal. For secondly, Arduino focus on controlling the rotation of motor limited to one command only. Number 3 is only focus on the stepper motor and their movement. And lastly, only limited to clean 4 mirror of lower window. For the objective, we have 4 objectives, and number 1 is to analyze the light metal, stainless and resistant to corrosion of metal selection for design selection. Number 2, to apply the Arduino microcontroller to the system for control the movement of motor. Number 3, to apply stepper motor to the system for moving the frame window cleaner. And number 4, to analyze the sprayer selection based on the pressure that related to the velocity of water. For literature review, we do a research about material of metal to their lightweight, stainless and resistant to corrosion. After that, Arduino history and about their parts. And literature review number 3, we do a definition, history and advantage about stepper motor. And lastly is significant spray nozzle characteristic. For the next present, I pass to Muhammad Arif Fikri. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Fikri bin Ibrahim. My metric number is 01DKM18F1057. Okay, for the methodology, as shown in the slide, block diagram of operation system is state that when the switch button are pushed, Arduino will get the input and run the program. Arduino will give command to stepper motor controller for run the stepper motor and create the output, and also give command to relay driver for switch on or off the water pump. When the cleaning is complete, Arduino will give command to buzzer to make a output. Next, the actual project design is we have doing the sketch of part from our actual design, which include Arduino, battery and stepper motor controller box, frame window cleaner, body, linear guide, water tank, water pump, belting and stepper motor. From this part, we have assembled all the part to create the final design just like in the slide. We apply the design to the actual project.
My name is Muhammad Zikri bin Abdul Malik. My metric number is 01DKM18F1077. In this slide, I will explain about the procedure we have done to complete the project design as planned. Firstly, all material has been ensured that measured accurately for cutting process. Secondly, cut aluminium that has been measured using metal cutting machine. Thirdly, aluminium that has been cut are welding using metal inert gas (MIG). Next, after complete welding the body and window frame cleaner, we paint the body and do a part installation. For part installation, we install the silicone hose and spine using a glue gun. After that, we do the installation of stepper motor at the body. Then, we install a water tank with a volume of 450 ml and 12 volt water pump. Lastly, we install a board that containing Arduino Uno, stepper motor controller and 12 volt battery. For the result, I will explain about how it functions from the starting to get ending. Firstly, power switch in this project need to be pushed by user for it to get ready functioning. Second, press the push button for this project start working. After the push button was pressed, the window frame cleaner will move to start cleaning all the mirror. It will move 2 rounds from the right side to left side. For the first round, the adjustable dripper will spray the water based on its level that has been set. For the second round, the spine will clean the mirror, but at the return direction, the buzzer will sound. That means cleaning process was done. This slide shows the analysis data from lower window motorized cleaner and regular product. It contains 4 aspects that are time, risk of injury, weight, and saving of water. Our project takes time to clean is short time than regular product. For the risk of injury, our project is low and the weight is more than regular product. And saving of water, our project is saving than regular product was used more water. The table shows actual cost of material used in our project. The total cost of all material is RM997 and 30 cents.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Al-Hika bin Jamaluddin. Number matric 01 DKM 18F1068. From the Gantt chart lower window motorized cleaner, we successfully complete on time, starting from design selection until the 40 weeks of project presentation to evaluation. We can follow the schedule that we have estimated successfully. Discussion. Why aluminium is the best of material selection in the project? Aluminium the best selection of the project because aluminium are lightweight and good characteristic in correction and stainless steel. What are the advantages stepper motor different to other motor? The advantage of stepper motor different to other motor is stepper motor calculate for low rigid mechanism like bell and pulley. Based on that, the motor the best selection because our project move by pulley and bell. What part that controlled by Arduino in window motorized cleaner? Arduino is set up to 3 parts, which is stepper motor, water pump, and buzzer. Recommendation. In the projects, we suggest the minimize the load by replace the water tank to a small tank and replace the battery to a small then used in the project. Secondly, we also plan to change the Arduino board to waterproof because the typical board in our project is not very safe when exposed to water. Conclusion. Based on the proposal that has been made, we managed to apply the new design is lower window motorized cleaner. Second, this product contains a few systems and material, which is Arduino, stepper motor, water spray, and aluminium. Thirdly, right selection of material component allow our window motorized cleaner to function and move very well. We conclude the lower window motorized cleaner. We give convention and costume to clean the window without getting risk of injury. This is a reference and credits. Thank you.